from Sabisma Islamic Boarding School. Today, I want to tell you a very interesting story entitled The Grandma and the Little Bird. Are you curious? Watch this video until the end. One day, there was a grandma. The grandma very loved to travel downtown for seeking the happiness. But since the pandemic situation, it couldn't allow her going to the downtown. Then, the grandma decided to see the little bird at the back of her house. It looked so beautiful and enchanted, but she was trapped in. Surprisingly, the bird could talk to the grandma. Over here, over there, please help me. It's me, bird. It's me, bird. Please help me. Over there, over here. It's me, bird. It's me, bird. Someone is here. Who's that? Oh, that's Grandma. Oh, Grandma, please set me free. Please help me. Oh, bird, you look so beautiful. How pretty you are. I will save you. Come with me. Oh, Grandma, please set me free. I promise I will make your dreams come true, said the bird by full of hope. Okay, I will set you free if you can answer my question. When, how, and when the happiness approaches me? Asked the grandma, and the bird gave the answer. This might change. First, don't believe in anyone except the God. Second, don't hope to something that you cannot do. Third, don't regret because of your choice in the past time. And the bird was liberated. I'm free. But the bird yelled at the grandma. Oh my God, Grandma, you are very stupid. If you don't liberate me, I will change your face younger than your age. The grandma was amazed and tempted. She tried to catch the bird again, but the bird flew to the highest tree. She tried to climb the tree, but she was fallen from the tree. Oh, my back! Oh, my shoulders! Anyone here? Please help me! And the bird humiliated the grandma again. Oh my God, Grandma, you are very stupid. I said to you just now, but you have forget it. Oh my God. Don't believe with anyone, but you believe with me. If I can change your face younger than your age. I'm just a little bird and I'm not a god. That is impossible. And don't hope something that you cannot do. You are an old woman, but you climb on this tree. That's almost impossible. And you may not regret to liberate me, right, Grandma? Over there, over here, over there, over here. It's me, bird. It's me, bird. It's me, bird. Goodbye, Grandma. Over there, over here, over there, over here. I'm set free. I set free. It's me, bird. Goodbye. And the bird went. The happiness not approaches me, but the sick food approaches me. Help me, anyone. I will die here. And the leaf bore Grandma. Well guys, that's the whole story I can deliver for you today. There is one lesson we get through, that keep thanking to God and be positive thinking in every condition. Take the condition today. See you and bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi